In this video, I'm going to show you this amazing AI tool I discovered that helps me to create social media posts very fast. All right. This tool is called the Tailwind Ghostwriter, and it is just so amazing. So here's how to use it. First, I'm going to just head over here and I'm going to sign up. All right. So right now I'm logged into my account. Okay. So over here, I'm going to scroll down to this left hand panel and I'm going to click on Ghostwriter AI. Okay. Now you see that there are several things that I could write. I could work on Pinterest pins and you see a lot of use cases. Okay, I'm going to just scroll down and I'm going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Instagram caption. So it says I'm posting about. So you could choose either of a featured product, promotion or sale, behind the scenes, lifestyle content, informational content. I'm going to go for promotion or sale. And this is going to be about, say, my cameras. Okay. So you could click here to add a keyword or phrase, but I don't want to do that right now. And you could also add a call to action. I also don't want to have that added right now. So I'm going to click this button that says generate captions. Perfect. So, wow, this is amazing. So we have like say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, amazing options. Okay. So you whichever one you like, remember that you could easily edit any of this. Now you click on any of these icons down here to copy this, and then you can see it's copied to your clipboard, and then you can go paste it anywhere you want to work with it. All right. So that is how simple. You can see I just did this in a matter of probably 2 to 3 minutes. So the Tailwind Ghostwriter is a lifesaver. Go get it right now. Cheers.